Hello guys, welcome back. My name is Sangeeta Mehta and you're watching my channel, my English magazine. Today I explain to you about my magazine, my English magazine. This magazine deal with the adverb. Now I open this magazine. It's a very beautiful magazine which is on adverb. There's the definition of the adverb, types of adverb and एग्जाम्पल्स एडवर्ब के बारे में एक एक बात एवरीवन एवरीथिंग related with the adverb there is. It's a very important magazine and it's a very knowledge giving magazine. This magazine solve all the doubts about the adverb and this magazine is very helpful for read the topic adverb. It's a very important and I think this is very important and useful magazine. My name is Sangeeta Mehta and I write this magazine, my English magazine. There is the photograph of mine on the top of the magazine and every page of the magazine is signed by me and there is a photograph of mine on the top of the magazine and I use the blue and sky blue pages in this and pink also. Everything related with the adverb I explain here. This is a very useful, important and knowledge giving magazine for those students who wants to gain the knowledge about the adverb. एक means one page of the magazine, every one page of the magazine explain the topic about adverb. There is no any doubt about the adverb. I think it is a very beautiful magazine and helpful for those students who wants to gain the knowledge about the adverb. If you want to read this, then I also give the link in Google for this magazine and in Google this is also available as a booklet. It's a very good magazine. Every page is superb. Yeah, this is a pages I open and I show all the pages of the magazine which are very important, which are very knowledge giving. This is a very good magazine. I think it's a very useful magazine and there is a definition about the adverb. एडवर्ब क्या होता है, कितने प्रकार का होता है, इसे वाक्य में सेंटेंस में कैसे यूज़ करते हैं, एडवर्ब की क्या विशेषता है सेंटेंस मेकिंग में, हर एक बात को मैंने बहुत ही अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया है. मुझे नहीं लगता कि मेरे स्टूडेंट्स को कोई दिक्कत हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम हो. सभी स्टूडेंट्स आराम से अगर इसे पढ़ेंगे इस मैगज़ीन को तो एडवर्ब से रिलेटेड जितने भी डाउट्स हैं उनके क्लियर हो जाएगी. इट्स अ वेरी यूज़फुल, knowledge giving and important magazine. Superb. The magazine is very superb. Every page reveals the definition of the magazines, of the adverb. Every page of the magazine is very helpful and knowledge giving. when you read it, then you find the everything in this which are related with adverb. Adverb is a very important topic, and this magazine explain एडवर्ब एडवर्ब क्या होता है, इसे क्या कहते हैं, हर एक बात को मैंने इसमें बताया है. दिस इज़ वेरी knowledge giving magazine. Who wants to gain the knowledge about the adverb, they can read my magazine. My name is Sangeeta Mehta. I am a lecturer. I am MPhil in English. Thank you very